Hey, welcome back, everybody. 12:27 on your Tuesday afternoon, and we started the day with some pretty decent cloud cover, but those clouds have since started to break up throughout the valley. Now, most of the cloud cover today was in Starr County, the western part of Hidalgo County. The rest of the valley, mostly clear skies this morning. Now, there are some clouds from the mountains of Mexico. I think that they're going to stay to the south. I think as far as cloud cover is concerned, we're pretty much done with it as far as the day goes, and we're just going to continue to have those clouds break up. Now, if we zoom out to the rest of the state, high pressure really just dominating the state's weather, and that's why we don't have a lot of cloud cover right now. This clockwise rotation bringing in some southeasterly flow. That southeasterly flow really keeping those clouds just off to the west of us, and we're actually in between two systems right now. So we have a low pressure system over here. We have a front that's up here that's actually going to start making its way into the state later on today and into tomorrow, and it's going to bring us some relief in a couple of days from these unseasonably warm temperatures, because check this out, most places are in the upper 80s already. It's barely noon. I mean, it's 86 in Brownsville, 85 in Harlingen, Raymondville, even Weslaco saying at 85, 86 in McAllen, 87 in Edinburgh, and 87 in Rio Grande City. And we're just going to continue to heat up as the day goes on. Some places even eclipsing the 90-degree mark today. Now, it's cooler on the coast, and here's why. The winds are out of the southeast at around 15 to 20 knots, but look at your surf temperature, only 76 degrees. And when you get that surf temperature to be that cool and you have that southeasterly flow, that's what keeps the temperatures really cool toward the coast. Your wave heights are only at 2 feet, and your next tide is a high tide at 1:18 p.m. So for the rest of the day, those clouds are going to continue to break up. Now, by tomorrow morning, we continue with that cloud cover. The humidity comes back. But by 10 a.m., that cloud cover starts to break. Wednesday, 3 p.m., it's going to be partly cloudy. It's going to be a really humid day tomorrow, but this is where the fun really begins. Here's that front. It's knocking on the door. It starts to come through Wednesday night, late Wednesday night, into Thursday morning. Now, you're seeing a couple bullseyes on your screen. Now, I don't think we're going to have those. I think anything we run into is going to be very short-lived. If you do run into anything heavy, again, very short-lived storms, as typically the case when a front comes through, and then Thursday by 7 a.m., we still have that cloud cover, but all of the rain is gone. Dry today, 60% chance of rain tomorrow, mostly with those scattered storms at night, and then a 20% chance of isolated storms and showers Thursday morning. Today, only a high of around 89, partly cloudy, but we lucked out again, comfortable humidity, and then tonight only cooling down to around 69 degrees. And we're going to do the opposite of today. Mostly clear early on, and then mostly cloudy later on as that humidity starts to make its way back. So with that humidity tomorrow, same high temperature as today, but it's not going to feel like 89. We're going to have a heat index. And then that's when the front starts to come through. It's making its way through. It really drops our temperatures on Thursday, but the bigger story is the front on Saturday, where it's cooling us down to around 74 degrees until we go on a little bit of a heat up again. We're going to continue tracking those two fronts for you, and that's your first Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.